Oh, hey, what are you guys doing in there? Oh, you must be here for the episode number 6 of Jack's Chrome Show, where we're unboxing. That's right, we are unboxing a Roadworks stainless visor right here. So let's get started. Let's see what we have here. You know, there's one thing that Roadworks does very well, and that's packaging. So they filled it with this. I don't even know, this is like a cross between cardboard and paper, and I don't even know what that is. But it comes in all of their boxes. Okay, so you guys probably can't see this yet, but in here we have a visor. If you guys can see that. And there's 2 pieces to it, all right? So what exactly this visor is a Freightliner visor. I can't remember which model it was. It might be a classic visor or an FLD 120. I'm not sure exactly, but I know it's a Freightliner visor. It is I believe it's a blind mount. So for all of you out there that don't know what the difference between a blind mount and a standard mount visor, the blind mount visors don't show the rivets or the bolts on the outside of the whatever it is, if it's a bumper or a visor in this case, or anything else, any kind of other panel. A blind mount means that you cannot see the bolts on the surface of the stainless steel. Standard mount visors and bumpers and stuff, you can see the rivets and you can see the bolts on the outside of the product itself when you install it. So this is, I believe this is a standard mount. Is it? Oh yeah, this is a standard mount for sure. You can see the holes right here. So to get this bad boy out of here. Hopefully I don't drop this on something. But so there's 2 pieces you can clearly see right here, and I believe this is one of those visors that you just use the standard mounting hardware that comes with your stock visor, I believe. So the same visor that you have on your truck right now, on your Freightliner, whatever this is, you can use those mounts for this visor itself. If you look at the flat surface of this right here, I thought it was a blind mount, but it's not. It's definitely a standard mount. You can see the holes that are coming through right here. Beep, 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 beep. So these are all where your mounting brackets will go into, and the hardware will go into. So that's what that is. And obviously there's more cardboard everywhere. And Roadworks is really nice because they put this this kind of like a really sticky duct tape, plasticky material. It's from they laser cut everything, so basically this is like with the protection against the laser when they're cutting it out. Something about manufacturing, blah blah blah. But so they have this tape all over all of their products, all of their stainless products. And so if you take this stuff off, you can see this is hard work. Jesus Christ. But yeah, so let me get this one out of here. And we'll unbox one of them. We don't need both of them at the same time. It's the same thing, just... Yes. Perfect. Okay. This is going well. So basically, when you take this off, you get this really, really shiny stainless surface underneath. If you can get this tape off. Jesus, Lord Almighty. But like I was saying earlier, the mounting brackets that you have on your stock visor already will work with these, so you don't have to make any modifications to your truck. It'd be really nice if I could do one side of this and peel it all the way off, but of course it's not going to cooperate for me the one time I'm on camera. So, yeah, you get the idea. Fighting with this tape. Okay, so you kind of get the idea. This is what the stainless surface underneath it looks like. It's perfect. This is really good, especially for shipping it, like cross country and stuff. This is the material. This is the stainless steel under it. This is a 430 visor, 430 grade stainless visor. They also have it available in 304, 14 gauge stainless, which is their heavy duty or severe duty. God, I broke a sweat opening the freaking box. But this is the one half of it right here. As you can clearly tell, you can see where you have to mount everything. This is where you put the edge of your cab right here. The holes right here go straight into the cab. We're going to do a installation video down the road. Not right now, but when we install that visor, you'll kind of see where all this lines up right here. So this is the one piece of it on the I guess the left side of your cab. I believe this is a 15-inch visor, so it's a monster drop, I believe. But this is basically what it is. The other piece, which is in the box right here, is the same exact thing. As you can clearly tell, except on the other side. So that's basically what's in a Roadworks visor right there. You put these two pieces together, and there's some mounting hardware in the middle that you put together that kind of seals everything together. You install it, but it's very simple. A lot of people get really intimidated by installing stainless parts in their trucks. It's really not that difficult. Okay, but yeah, so that was our unboxing of the Roadworks Freightliner visor right here, the monster drop standard mount. And this is a really cool piece right here, and like we were talking about in our budget chrome episode, a visor is also a piece that we would get on a budget. I think this piece in particular is about $320, $350 for whatever Freightliner this fits. I think it's the classic and the FLD 120, not sure, but it's a fairly inexpensive item, and you get a lot of change in the appearance of your truck. So a grill, a visor, both great options right there. This one, if you can get the tape off of it, and if you're not an idiot like me, you can actually use it. But Roadworks does a fantastic job, like I was saying, of packaging their stuff. I mean, there's, I don't know how many of these little just pieces of paper cushioning nonsense in the box, so it's not going to get damaged, hopefully. But yeah, kudos to Roadworks on their packaging. Kudos to Roadworks on a great product. This stuff is, it holds up really well. It's 430 grade stainless. It's never going to rust. It's a good price. So yeah, that's our review for the unboxing for the Freightliner visor. Okay guys, we are here after the unboxing video of the Roadworks visor, and I have made a complete mess of the studio here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's these are all the paper things that are that were in the box. Like I said, Roadworks does a fantastic job of packaging their stuff up. But we've got a whole bunch of these things. We have the visor itself. I don't even know how much tape is just sitting around here. I mean, look at all this stuff right here. Look, I just have tape sitting here. This stuff is ridiculous. This is like the strongest tape I have ever seen in my life. Before you guys go, remember to check out our website, jackschromeshop.com, and browse the thousands of truck parts and accessories that are on there. First-time customers receive 10% off their order when they use promo code JCS1234 at checkout. We post videos on this channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now. Our Wednesday section is our new news segment, and we're really excited about that. If you'd like to further support the show, please consider purchasing a Jack's Chrome Shop shirt, kind of like the one I'm wearing right now. We're also going to have them in white, red, and gray, I believe, soon, so look for those. Links to our merch store, the Jack's Chrome Shop website, our social media profiles, and the related videos in our video description below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more trucking news, product reviews, and chrome-related content, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, if your rig don't shine, you don't know Jack. Oh hey, what are you guys doing in there? And I'm gonna fall over because this fucking thing is... I'd do it over again. I almost fell over. The stool is not cooperating. Oh hey guys. That most will never see. While they're sitting in an office chair or working in a factory.